As Winnie the Pooh once said, it makes such a difference to have someone who believes in you. And Lusher teachers believe in you, and I believe in you.
One of the biggest things that's going to help your learning while you're in school is your teacher. It's such an important job, and in fact, at the department, we like to say it's a calling.
That's why Lowell Milken, chairman of the Milken Family Foundation, created a program 35 years ago to honor great educators called the Milken Educator Awards.
And before we leave, an educator right here at Lusher Elementary is going to receive this national award.
The Milken Educator Award goes to Ashley Gerald. Mark Garascia.
I am so shocked and do not understand what just happened. But my heart is about to jump out of my chest right now. The motivation that I get on a daily basis is knowing that there are still students who talk to me years after who are like, you made a big difference on my life. You helped me get to where I wanted to be. You know, I wouldn't have graduated without you.
I am humbled and honored to receive such a prestigious award. I come to work every day because I love our babies. So I don't do it for this, but I love our kids so much, and it's an honor and a privilege to be a part of such an elite group of educators. And thank you so much. I just don't even know what to say. Thank you all so much.